Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to start reviewing some food products that you wouldn't normally find at your local grocery market. So first things first, I got a little product today to show you guys, and I got this at my Asian supermarket, and we're going to be reviewing today big giant squid. Check that out. Look how huge it is. Look how long it is compared to my arms. It's very big. It's called a big squid jerky. A little backstory to this. I haven't had any of these guys for like, I say 15 years plus. But when I was a kid, they used to come in a little bag. It was already pre-shredded. It was mildly tasty. I did like it. It's an acquired taste if you never had it before. So this is my first time trying this guy out. I haven't had any of this in who knows how long. I don't know how it's gonna taste like. It's kind of weird they call it the big squid, but here on the back, like the very first primary ingredient you see, they have as listed as 50% cuttlefish. Now, if you're not sure what a cuttlefish is, it looks like this. So, yeah, it's 50% cuttlefish and it's 30% surimi. I'm guessing that's also a fish. And then it's 5% wheat flour, and the rest of the 15% are made up of chili, sugar, salt, pepper, and garlic to obviously preserve the meat and add some bold flavors to it. It's a product of Thailand. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. Let's give it a shot. There we go. Now, let's see. Oh, cool. They have a little plastic film here to protect it in a little plastic case here. It's just wow. You could literally smell that. It smells great though, I must admit. I'm just gonna try a little piece. Slightly sticky. Very strong, pungent, fishy smell. So let's give it a shot. Check that out. Looks like a little Dorito chip. Here's the full version of it. So yeah, let's give this a shot. All the flavors I just mentioned earlier are there. It's not too bad actually. It's very mildly, very pungent, very fishy, as I just mentioned. Very chewy in texture. Tastes kind of like a cross between imitation crab meat and those fish balls that you put in your pho, if you guys ever had that. So yeah, here's how it looks like again. It's very delicious. I would give it a shot again. I don't know if I'll finish this entire thing though, but yeah, it's very good, and you know, I mean, I would highly recommend you guys to give it a shot when you have a chance. So yeah, stay on the lookout for our next video with our next weird food product. So yeah, until then, see ya. Have a good time, everybody. Bye.